Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gab from Tech Tips for Business. For today's video, we are going to talk about how to make a drop-down list in Microsoft Excel. Firstly, we have to answer this question. When is your birth month? Instead of letting the user answer by typing in the birth month, we can let them choose from a list instead. To do so, go ahead and go to the Data tab. Go to Data Tools group and click on Data Validation. Once you've clicked that, go ahead and choose List from the drop-down menu and Allow. Next, go ahead and click on this button. Now, before we do this step I have already prepared a separate spreadsheet which contains the name of months from January to December. If you're still gonna make one, don't worry, because it's very easy. Let's close that. Just click on this New Sheet button on the bottom part of your Microsoft Excel. Once you've clicked on that, just type in the name of the months from January to December. And that's about it. Now, let's go back to our main spreadsheet. Do the same steps all over again. And for the source, just click on this button, go to the next sheet, click on the data that we prepared, and select OK. Now, it should look something like this. See how easy it is for us to make a drop-down list in Excel. Now, for the second question, are you excited for your birthday? There are two possible answers for this question, either yes or no. To make a drop-down list that contains only two values, we can use the same method we did as earlier, but it would be counterintuitive as there are only two choices. Now, this is another way to make a drop-down list. Go ahead to Data Validation again. Go to List. And for the source, just type yes, comma, no, and click on OK. Now, if you click the drop-down list right next to the "Are you excited for your birthday?" question, you can choose between two choices, yes or no. And that is how you make a drop-down list in Excel. If this video helped you in any way, please leave a like and comment on what I should do next. You can also subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell for updates on our future videos. Once again, this is Gab, signing out.